Can I retrieve call history from an old iPhone?
Welcome to this video on retrieving call history from an old iPhone. If you've ever wondered whether it's possible to recover your call logs from a previous device, you're in the right place. We'll walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started.
Is it possible to retrieve call history from an old iPhone?
The answer is yes, it is possible. To retrieve call history from an old iPhone, you can use one of the following methods. 1. Restoring from an iCloud backup, if you had enabled iCloud backup for your call history. 2. Restoring from an iTunes backup, if you had backed up your iPhone to a computer using iTunes.
How can I retrieve call history using an iCloud backup?
To retrieve your call history from an iCloud backup, follow these steps. 1. Make sure your old iPhone's call history was backed up to iCloud. To do this, go to Settings greater than Your Name, greater than iCloud, greater than Manage Storage Backups. Check if there's a backup available containing your call history. 2. On your new iPhone, go through the initial setup process. When prompted, choose Restore from iCloud Backup. 3. Sign in with your Apple ID and select the backup containing your call history. The device will start restoring your data, including your call logs. Note: this method will overwrite the existing data on your new iPhone. Make sure to back up any important data before restoring from an iCloud backup.
How can I retrieve call history using an iTunes backup?
To retrieve your call history from an iTunes backup, follow these steps. 1. Connect your old iPhone to your computer and open iTunes. Click on the device icon and then click Backup Now. This will create a backup of your old iPhone, including your call history. 2. Connect your new iPhone to the same computer and open iTunes. Click on the device icon and then click Restore Backup. 3. Choose the backup you just created and click Restore. The device will start restoring your data, including your call logs. Note: this method will overwrite the existing data on your new iPhone. Make sure to back up any important data before restoring from an iTunes backup. In this video, we've shown you that it is indeed possible to retrieve call history from an old iPhone, either by restoring from an iCloud backup or an iTunes backup. We hope this information helps you recover your call logs and maintain a complete record of your communications. Thanks for watching.